So in this video, we are going for the third question of Runge Kutta method. We need to, using Runge Kutta method, we need to find the fourth order of that. So that means four values will be there: k1, k2, k3, k4. Okay. Find y of 0.2 for the equation given dy by dx. Y of 0 is equal to 1, initial condition is given, and h value is also given 0.2. Very simple question. Directly we will start. First thing, you need to write the given whatever things is there in the question. Okay, that is very important. Now function of x comma y, so you always remember function of x comma y is basically the dy by dx value. So that is directly given y minus x divided by y plus x. Okay, next, y of 0 is equal to 1. You need to remember like this: y of x naught is equal to y naught. That means inside the bracket whatever is there, that is x naught. So here it is 0, and y naught value, the RHS part, 1. We need to find y of 0.2. What's the meaning of that? Always remember that y of x1, x0 is considered, now x1, what is equal to y1. Okay, so x1 is there, then when corresponding y1 will be there. Now here it is given y of 0.2, we have to find out. That means at x1 value equal to 0.2, what will be y1 value? This is what they are asking. Okay, so we need to find this, and h also is directly given, it is 0.2, that is basically the step size. Okay. That means what? If the initial stage is what, 0 x0, which is equal to 0, next will be x1, which they are asking 0.2. Now the step size basically means from the initial, suppose we consider this as ground floor. Okay, next one as first floor. So ground floor to first floor, if I want to go, I have to consider the step size and add with the first ground floor. Okay, so add with the ground floor. So here it will be plus h. H value here is 0.2. So if I add x0 plus h, I will get x1 value, and so on. Okay, so ground floor to first floor, it is h value we have to add. That basically means the step size. Now proceeding with the first step, we have to consider the k1, k2, k3 values. So that values I will consider over here. Now in this, I need to first start with k1 value. So k1 is equal to, what is h? H is 0.2 into function of x0 comma y0. See, we know function of x comma y, x comma y. So we have to just consider function of x0. X0 means here it is 0. Y0 is 1. Okay, initial conditions it is given, right? So that is equal to 0.2 into, now function of 0 comma 1, that means in place of x you put 0, y you put 1. So that becomes 1 minus 0, this particular function, okay, divided by 1 plus 0. So what will be the answer of this? 1 minus 0, 1, 1, 1 cancel, so 0.2. I got k1 value. Next k2 value, again the same thing, 0.2 into, now function of, the function has changed, x0 plus h by 2. So it will be x0 is 0. So 0 you don't consider, because 0 plus anything is that number only. What is h? H value is 0.2. So 0.2 by 2, comma, y0 value. Here it is 1 plus k1 value, the previous value, which is 0.2 by 2. So this becomes function of 0.1 comma 1.1. So that is equal to, now function of 0. Now I will substitute the values. It will be 1.1 minus 0.1 divided by 1.1 minus, sorry, plus 0.1. So the answer of this will be 0.166. K2 value done. Next K3 value. Again same thing, 0.2 into, now this is exactly same as K2. Okay, so I can directly write function of 0.1 same as this thing, but here it will change. Now here this part k2 by 2 has come, here it was k1 by 2. So y0 value 1 plus, now k2 value, what is k2 value? 0.1667 by 2. Okay, so this becomes 0.2 into function of 0.1 comma 1.0835. So K3 becomes 0.2 into 1.0835 minus 0.1 divided by 1.0835 plus 0.1. Okay, that becomes 0.1662. We got K3 value also. Next K4. K4 value 0.2 into function of x naught plus h. Now what is x naught value? So 0 plus 0.2 comma y naught value is 1 plus the previous value K3, that we have to write. So it is equal to 0.2 into function of 0.2 into 1.1662. So the K4 value becomes 0.2 into 1.1662 minus 0.2 divided by 1.1662 plus 0.2, that is equal to 0.1414. Now all the values I have to substitute in the formula. What is the formula? Well, let us see. Y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Now what is the meaning of x naught plus h? As we have discussed that x naught is the initial value which is given as how much. So x naught value is equal to 0 and x1 value is equal to the next part which we are having to going to find out, that is 0.2. So that means what is h? H is the step size which is equal to 0.2. So we can say that x0 plus h basically gives what? X1 value. So here this basic meaning is x1. Now what is x1? As we have studied, as we have seen that it is 0.2. So the answer will be. Now here you need to understand that this particular thing, what is the value of this? Y of x 0.2 means x1 equal to 0.2. I am getting the answer of y1 as 1.1679. Okay, this is the meaning of this. So we got the answer.